Hi everyone, this is Mish Schneider, Chief Strategist of MarketGauge.com, and I want to give you a very key strategy based on our own proprietary indicators that we have at MarketGauge, one being triple play and the other being real motion. And I want to use that as a comparison to three instruments and how they relate to each other. The long bonds, TLT. The real key to the TLT is how it relates to two different areas. One being the junk bonds, which have done extremely well through 2024. In fact, recently made new all-time highs, and now starting to look a little toppy. So what's important about that is how it performs versus the long bonds. If the long bonds, which are still underperforming, start to outperform HYG, if we're going to use that one as an example, that's not only a risk-off situation in terms of a lot of the areas that have done well in the market, it could also be a sign, not just of warning, but could also be a sign that maybe things are starting to move more and more back into commodities, because as we know, they've been basing. The other relationship you want to look at would be the long bonds, TLT, versus the SPY, which is the typical benchmark. And again, right now, SPY is outperforming risk on. But if that changes, if the TLT start to rally and we see the SPY start to sputter, even if you don't have the indicators at your disposal, and of course you can always ask me, that would again mean yields are starting to drop, the SPY is starting to feel a little bit of pressure, and what in turn might do well. And right now, what we're looking for is any kind of divergence between what the price is versus the momentum. And at this point, we're still seeing a little bit of a negative divergence in the SPY. So that tells me that everything I just told you should be on your mind. You should be looking at it, because that might really help you, number one, and even more importantly, prevent you from getting in on a rally that's getting ready to fizzle out. That's it for now. Hope this was helpful. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.